channel Physics with Swapnil, and today we are going to learn derivation of equation of motion with graph. Friends, we already have learned four types of equation. First was V equal to U plus second was S equal to UT plus half AT square. Third was V square equal to U square plus 2AS. And fourth was S equal to V plus U by 2 into T. So friends, we know these four equation of motion. Friends, we know this four equation of motion, and now we will going to derive with the help of graph. So first we will going to derive V equal to U plus AT. So friends, this is V and this is T and this is our graph. We already know when the graph is an inclined line in V versus T, it represents acceleration. So this represents what? Acceleration. This represents acceleration. Friends, in physics, this value that is A. Friend, this line represents acceleration. This value is this upon this. So let I nomenclature it O, A, B, C. So acceleration is, friends, it is CB upon AB. Friends, acceleration is CB upon AB. Because in maths, A represents slope and the value of slope is y upon x. Here y is this CB and x is BA. So let us find what is BC and what is AB. So friends, this value is V. Let A, B, C, D. OD, friends, OD equal to V. That is final velocity. Friends, from O to D it is final velocity. From O to A, friends, from O to A it is U. Means OA is initial velocity. Friends, OA is initial velocity. Friends, OA is initial velocity. And AB, friends, AB is T. AB is T, time. So friends, it is CB. How we get CB? CB is, friend, C, let A, B, C, D, E. Let it is E. Friends, how we can get CB? CE minus BE. If CE, friends, minus with BE, we get CB. So CB equal to C minus B. Friends, C equal to DO and DO is what? Yeah, OD is what? V. So it is C is V. BE is AO and AO is, friends, U. So B is U. So friends, CB is V minus U. So putting this value and this value in this, so we get acceleration equal to V minus U by T. Cross multiplying, friends, AT equal to V minus U. Now taking this value here, we get V equal to U plus AT. So friend, this is our equation number 1, derivation. V equal to U plus AT. This is how we derive equation of motion. Friends, in exam, out of these four, any one will sure come. So it is very, very important you to learn its derivation. So take a look at this and you have to practice it a lot. Now friends, we are going to derive this S equal to UT plus half AT square. So friends, we will be deriving S equal to UT plus half AT square. Friends, in VT graph, the area, this area, friends, the area under this line, the area under this line gives displacement. Always remember friends, in V versus T graph, area under inclined line gives displacement. So friends, the area under this inclined line, that will give us displacement. So displacement is what? Area under AC line. And area under AC line is what? Area of triangle. Friends, this is triangle and this is rectangle. So it is area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Friends, it is area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Friends, we know area of triangle is what? It is half into base into height, and area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So half base is friends how much? AB. So base is AB. Height is friends CB. Height is friends CB. Length is friend OE. Length is friends OE, and breadth is friend BE. So we have put the value of breadth, height, length. Now friends, AB is how much? T. AB is how much? T. CB. Friends, CB is how much? CB is how much? CE minus B. We have already find CB. CB is how much friends? B minus U. OE is friend again T. And BE is friends U. It is U. And it is friend S. So friends, and we know friends V minus U. So it is half into T. Friends, we already know A equal to V minus U by T. So V minus U we can write AT. We can write V minus U as AT. So we are writing V minus U as AT, and it is UT. So friend, S equal to half A and T square. So half AT square plus UT, or S equal to UT plus half AT square. Friend, this is our equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So how to find friend displacement? Friend, displacement is what? Area under the inclined line in VT graph. So this is the inclined line and this is the area under the line. This area contains two things. One is area of triangle, other is area of rectangle. Area of triangle is what? How much? Half into base into height. Area of rectangle is what? Length to breadth. Base is what? AB. Height is what? CB. Length is what? OE. Breadth is what? B. So putting the value, AB is how much? T. CB is how much? We have already find friend CB, V minus U. O is friend T. And B is friend U. And we friends, you know, A equal to V minus U by T. So V minus U we can write AT. So we are writing V minus U as AT. So it will become AT square, and we get the equation S equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is very important friend derivation. You have to practice it a lot. Now we see friends third equation of motion and its derivation. So friends, this area under the line is also the area of trapezium. See friends, this is trapezium. Friend, this is trapezium. So either we can write area of triangle plus rectangle or area of trapezium. So friend, this is trapezium. So displacement is what? Area of trapezium. And friends, area of trapezium is what? Half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Friends, sum of parallel side, this side and this side is parallel, so it's sum. So we will write friends half. Sum is what? OA plus CE. It is CE into distance between them. Distance between them is AB. So friend, it is AB. This is C. So distance between them is AB. Now friends, putting the value OA plus CE. OA, what is OA? OA is U. It is U. CE, CE is what friends? V. C is what? V. C is what? V. So C is what? V. AB, AB is what friends? T. So AB is T. Now friends, value of T. We have to put value of T. So we can write from this friends, T can be written as V minus U by A. We can write T as V minus U by A. So we will write this half V plus U into V minus U by A. We can write friends T as V minus U by A. So friends, it is A plus B, A minus B. So we know that A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. So it is friend V square minus U square upon A, and it is S. So cross multiplying it, we get 2AS equal to V square minus U square. Again shifting U square, we get V square equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is equation number 3. Friend, this is equation number 3. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Again friends, I am telling what is displacement. Area under the inclined line. Here area under the inclined line is trapezium. What is trapezium? Sum of parallel side, half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Parallel side is OA and CE. OA is what? U, and C is what? V, and AB is what? T. So friends, T, we can write T as V minus U by A. We write V minus U by A. So A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So shifting the value and cross multiplying, we get third equation. Now friends, the fourth equation, S equal to V plus U by T. So friend, this is the fourth equation. S equal to V plus U by 2 into V. This is equation number 4. So friend, this is the derivation that is very important. You have to practice it. From 4, 1 will definitely come in the exam. Thank you.